Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Mrs. Leopard. First, let's draw the shape of Mrs. Leopard's face. Then, her ears. Her eyes with lashes. Let's draw her nose. Next, her lip. Her whiskers. Let's draw her spots on her face. And the shape of Mrs. Leopard's body. Look, Mrs. Leopard opened her eyes. I'm drawing her arms and hands. Next, her tail. Lastly, her legs and shoes. Join me as we add color to Mrs. Leopard together. Let's put a black color on her nose, a black color on her spots, a light yellow color around her mouth, a yellow color on her face and ear. Have you seen a leopard? Really? That's cool. In the animal zoo, I spotted a leopard as well. A purple color on her dress. Mrs. Leopard is happy to see you. Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent. A yellow color on her arms, tail, and legs. And a black color on her shoes. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.